Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Tier Sitters. My name's Kurt Conley. I'm here today with Mr. Rev Nissen. It's Friday. It's the end of the week, and it's the end of the wrap up for Tier Sitters for us for another week down. Can't believe it. How are you, Rev?
Yeah, doing good, Kurt. Doing all right. And yourself?
Yeah, good. Been a busy week. What's going on?
Yeah.
A few little sneak peeks coming out. I think we've got some stuff that we want to drop.
Yeah.
Been researching some secret tokens, so that's always exciting. Lots of TIS pings coming through, like 50, 60 coming through in the last couple of days. So there's lots for us to run some TA on and run through. So yeah, it's been pretty exciting.
Yeah, definitely. Been a bit of work as well on the back end. So no, definitely
sure.
all around as a team.
Yep. Yeah. But we're going to wrap this one up pretty. We're going to wrap this up pretty quickly because we've got a lot of things that we've got going on at the moment.
Definitely.
It's Friday. Friday is always an extremely busy day for us. Okay, so the content that's covered in this video, we always go through the disclaimer before we jump into these videos. As you guys all know, Rev and I are not financial advisors. Everything that we talk about on our Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Discord is not to be taken as financial advice. We're not financial advisors. It's just our TA that we're looking at and what we believe is happening in the market and our speculative ideas. Okay, so what we always do before we go into the next TIS hit is go over the weekly hits. Today, we are going to go over two of them. We talked about audio. The entry for audio was 4,005 sats. The current sat value is 4,016, so there's a 0.2% change in the current status, but it did hit a high of 32% on audio. Great trade. We were also looking at Sia Coin. We had it as a watch trade. We said to you guys, keep an eye on Sia Coin. If it does hit the range that we were talking about, then it looked like a good trade. The entry was 39 sats. The current sat value is 50, sitting at about 28% move. It did go to 58 with a 48% move. Great trade. We were and ahhing about CR. Do we talk about it? Do we not? We put it as a watch trade. We said if it did go to that range, it was an option for a good trade, and it did work out.
Definitely, yeah, it was a good trade from that end. And what I loved about it was in sequence. So audio hit went up, hit the 50%, and actually stopped out. So we pre-filled Sia in sequences, and yeah, we caught it out and got that. So and it came after
Beautiful.
audio had triggered out. So it also shows that you can catch trades in sequences, especially if you're looking for it.
Yeah, that was a really good one. Flipping over to the table. So this is the table that we're running for ROI starting capital of $500 since the 15th of Feb. You can see all the way down the bottom, episode 37, we started with $2,971. Audio at 16%, which is 50% of the trade. The table at the bottom should be 38, not 37. There we have $3,447 with Sia Coin, banking the 24% return there, so 50% of the high. Taking us to a grand total.
It's fine to be at 37. It's episode 37.
Sorry. Yes, that's right. Yeah. It's my eye. Sorry, apologies. Yeah, so we're sitting on $4,287 starting with a $500 capital, which puts us at a 750% return based on 50% of the high. Okay. Please no DMs this weekend. I'm not going to answer them if you're doing better than that. Just congratulations. I'll say it here. Awesome. Well, high five for you guys. I'm sick of that competition. Okay, so bouncing right into today's TIS hit, we are looking at Bella. That's Bella Protocol. The CMC ranking is 323. It's currently sitting at $4.38. The sat value is 7,139 sats. Bell has an uptrend support channel on the 4-hour, and it's flipping prior resistance to support, and the expectance of resistance and price action between 9,500 and 10,300K sats. Trading volume right now is 36 Bitcoin, and it has one short-term buy. We're going to pull up CryptoStat as we always do, and we're going to run through some TA.
Yeah, for sure. Let's go and jump straight into that. So this one's I was looking at this prior as well, and looking at the books of it. It seems like there's nothing there on the books, maybe because I was on my phone, I'm not sure. But preloaded and not on your phone, the books don't look thick, which is really weird. So just be careful of that. But yeah, so what I've got here is we've got this uptrend support channel happening here as well. And we've kind of solidified that. We haven't even pushed all the way down. And we've got this resistance here in the clusters where majority of the bodies and some wicks have formed. You can see we've fallen under, but we're sitting along it right now. So we're looking for it to sort of, pick itself up and continue to go back up. Now, the first sort of form of resistance is at 9.5. There is a form of resistance at 8.8 as well, but 9.5 to about 10.2, 10.3. If that shoots out, like just watch out, there'll be fireworks there. And we can see the MACD here on the 4-hourly is also cross bullish. If we do end up in this sort of range here where we're expecting it to go, this could potentially flip above the zero line, which also gives us a good indication that we may be going up here. So the structure of it, I definitely like it. If we go back and try not to ruin the chart, it's very hard to do this by not ruining the chart, seeing the actual sequence and actually going back. But there it is. You can see where we're at. You can see how many times we've struggled at this range, about 8,800 there, the topper, 86 to 8,800. If we do crack out, the next sort of resistance is there, which happened back in 19th of October 2020 and in April this year. So there is potential for it to start pushing these sort of levels from a longer term perspective for sure. Definitely like this trade. Yeah, hopefully we get a decent trade out of it, and we can move on to the next one and continue compounding this account.
It'd be a nice way to end the week. Now, just I know that you were just saying there about trading on your phone. I just wanted to jump in here and say something as well. I personally don't ever trade on my phone. I don't think I've ever taken a trade on my phone. It's just me personally. I know people that I see face to face in general, and there's a question they always ask me, and I just say that I just don't do it, and I prefer to trade on my PC. Not saying there's anything wrong with it, but you did make a comment there just about looking at the books, right? Yeah.
So there is a few different things that I've realized, especially for Binance. The books don't come as clean on the phone and as straight to the point as they do on the actual website, right? So one thing I do want to look at is the data.
Have you ever not locked your phone and market bought with your ass cheek?
I'm not going to answer that. We can see the price change here. It hasn't really moved that much, but we have a bias change, in the last 24 hours of 46.6%, which is quite high as a change. So keep your eyes on the data for CryptoStat. Mind you, this is we're gonna have like, what's the word? We're gonna look back and go, oh, CS2, we miss you. But good things are coming. Yes. There's big changes.
CS3's around the corner.
Yeah. And the whole Cryptofy app platform for the people that are utilizing it right now, we got something in.
It's about to change,
guys. Yeah, for sure. So I think that covers everything for this test hitters.
Yeah, it does cover everything. No, we do. We are on the look for a new secret token. We have been talking about it. We have been, toying with the idea recently. Well, with the 50 plus tokens that came through yesterday, that was a good sign for us to start digging again as well. So yes, be on the lookout. We will give you some notice before we drop something, but we are definitely on the hunt. We haven't purchased anything yet. We usually buy something and then we drop it pretty close to when we do it. Just going back to the last time we talked about was EasyFire. We were going to drop it. I was on holidays. I think we've explained it. It was a bit of chaos around that one because EasyFire actually come out and dropped a whole bunch of bullish news on their Twitter feed, and we sort of scrambled to drop that. It won't be like that this time, I promise you. I'm pretty pleased pray that it doesn't happen.
I hope nothing like that happens for sure.
Yeah, we're definitely got the radar out. We've got the metal detector out. And we're definitely hunting for a token for all of you guys. So keep your ear to the ground and we'll see how we go. But that is it. That is it for the week. Glad it's the weekend. We'll be online. Look forward to seeing you guys in the Discord and on Facebook. Take care and see you Monday. Bye for now.
Cheers, guys. Take care, Kurt. Enjoy your weekend.
Bye.
Bye.
You too, man.